You feel like people are taking advantage of you. It's not only about money. It can be about respect, about belonging, about being treated fairly. Sometimes you sense that others see your difference, your newness, your inexperience, and they lean on it. They act superior, as though you're clueless, as though you can't defend yourself. It stings. It presses on your dignity. But Abraham has taught, no one can truly take from you unless your vibration allows it. And today, you walk this path upward, from the knot in your gut to the certainty of your worth. The suspicion of being cheated eats at me, almost like a worm in my stomach. They want to take advantage of me. They pad my bill. They want to steal, to laugh at me, to prove they can get away with anything. They act like I'm stupid, like I have no clue. They take my difference, my vulnerability, and turn it into their gain. I feel humiliated, powerless, angry. But I admit it. This is what I feel. I don't like it, but naming it is my first step. The indignation rises. Hey, you think I'm an easy target? You look at me and believe I won't fight back? Who do you think you are, to poke at my dignity? You treat me as if I am small, but I am not. I hate your arrogance, your smug superiority, your belief that you can walk over me. I shout it inside my mind. I let the fire burn. I release it into the air, and it feels powerful to say it. This venting releases the pressure. I can breathe again, and I know if I stay here, I'll keep attracting more of the same. So I'm ready to move higher. I realize something. I don't want to feed this story anymore. Every time I say they take advantage of me, I suffer. Not them, me. So why would I keep giving energy to a thought that only hurts me? Nothing is worth my being out of alignment. Soothing myself is not about excusing them. It's about choosing freedom for me. Wouldn't it be nice if I walked into situations and expected fairness? Wouldn't it be nice if people surprised me with generosity instead of malice? I try to imagine it. I picture myself smiling after an exchange, satisfied, balanced. I try to see myself welcomed in a community, treated as equal, valued for who I am. And what if every so-called insult was only a teacher? What if the sneers, the disrespect, were actually just opportunities to clarify what I truly expect? Then none of this is wasted. It means every time someone tries to take, it pushes me to say, no, I deserve better. I like imagining that. It lifts me. Little by little, the old thought loses power, and a new one starts to form. Maybe life isn't against me. Maybe life is training me. Maybe I am learning to walk in dignity, so solid that nothing shakes me. When I step back, everything looks different. These moments of being used, they shrink in comparison to life itself. The sun rises, the ocean breathes, people laugh, children grow, flowers bloom, and I am worrying over scraps of unfairness. Why would I hand over my whole piece to such small things? I notice that most of life around me is good. People smile at me, neighbors help me, strangers show kindness. These are real too, and if I focus on them, the scale tips. I see balance, I see fairness, I see generosity everywhere. The world is not made of predators waiting for me. The world is vast, full of opportunities to give and receive value. And here's another truth. My dignity isn't fragile. It isn't something they can snatch away. It's woven into who I am. When I remember this, their attempts don't land. They bounce off. They dissolve. I am steady in my value, and that steadiness feels wonderful. From this steadiness, I can imagine myself radiating dignity, not by fighting, not by proving, but simply by being. I walk into a room calm, composed, confident, and without a word, others sense it. They pause, they hesitate, they respect it. Because dignity is felt. It's energy, not argument. And what if I truly lived this way? What if my quiet confidence made others drop their schemes before they even tried? I like that image. It means I don't have to defend myself every time. I just carry myself with presence, and presence does the work. This is the kind of strength I want, and it feels good to know I can create it. Now faith rises in me. I see the truth. No one truly takes advantage of me. They may try, but my value isn't theirs to touch. My dignity is not for sale. It was given to me by life itself, and only I can decide how it feels. And I decide now to trust myself. I decide to believe in my worth. I don't need their approval to feel valuable. I don't need their honesty to feel secure. When I align with my value, the world mirrors it back. And when someone doesn't see it, that blindness belongs to them, not me. This faith feels amazing, quiet, powerful, peaceful. I sense my strength growing inside me, steady as stone, warm as sunlight, and I trust it fully. They take advantage of me? When I ask myself who they even are, the faces fade. The shadowy figures dissolve, and I see clearly. Most of the people around me treat me with respect. Kindness is everywhere when I'm willing to notice it. Fairness surrounds me when I look for it. Gratitude wells up in me because the world reflects what I expect. And this makes me laugh. How could anyone truly steal from me? If they try to take advantage, it must mean I have an advantage worth taking. I must be carrying something valuable, something desirable, something powerful. That means the advantage was always mine first. They don't take it, they only reveal it. And what they reveal, I can't lose, because my dignity is not a coin in their pocket. It is a river in me, flowing endlessly. I let that truth sink into my gut. Where before I felt knots, I now feel warmth. Where I once felt suspicion, I now feel pride. I sense that my worth is undeniable, radiant, eternal, and it feels so good to trust that. I even enjoy the play of it now. They wanted to use me? Fine. They wanted to take from me? Fine. But what they see is simply the glow of my value, and that glow can't be stolen. It grows as I share it. It multiplies as I stand in it. It blesses me whether or not anyone else notices. So in truth, I always hold the advantage, and I love knowing that. I love feeling the humor of it, the relief of it, the joy of it. I love that my dignity has grown stronger because of contrast. I love that my worth feels more secure now than ever before. I feel powerful, radiant, free. I walk with ease. I walk with joy. I walk with confidence that cannot be shaken. My dignity intact, my value unstoppable, my joy unbroken. This is who I am, and no one can take it away. You began with suspicion twisting in your gut. You admitted the hurt, let out the indignation, and step by step, you rose into calm, strength, and joy. Now you stand in your own advantage, in dignity that no one can take, in value that only grows, in power that radiates from you. This is who you are. And the more often you walk this path, the easier it becomes. So when the thought returns, they take advantage of me, come back here. Come back and remember how quickly your power returns. Come back and claim again the dignity that is yours forever.
To find a better feeling, though.